YouTube, it's your boy Real Ivy. Hey, we back with another reaction video. Alright, look, today we rocking to the best of Road Rage from USA to Canada, Badge Overs compilation of February. Now look, I'm already knowing I'm gonna see a lot of y'all niggas on here. Y'all niggas be, who taught y'all niggas how to drive? I ain't gonna lie, cause hey, look. I gotta find who taught y'all niggas how to drive, bro. We gotta investigate them niggas, cause ain't nobody. Ain't no way, gang. I'm out of it. Them niggas gotta be investigated. But hey, y'all know my hands ashy. Hey, if your hands not ashy, you finna do a YouTube video. You just not built for this, bro. Simple. You know what I'm saying? You just not built for this. But we finna get into this video. Without further ado. Alright. Let's get it on. Damn!
Why did you stop?
Nigga, what? Uh-oh. They got Peter Griffin up in that bed.
See that? Call the stop sign. You're supposed to stop. Yeah, but you drove through the stop sign. I drove through and you were on my ass. You stopped. You stopped. Why did you stop? Why did you drive?
Damn, the height comparison is crazy.
You did not stop. 3 seconds. After I go, 3 seconds after. I didn't stop here. What's the reason? They're stopping. You stop? I have a dash cam on here. Yeah, so do I. I have dash cam.
I have dash cam. Nigga, it don't even look like no damage is done to your car.
I think yours too. Yeah, no, I'm driving it.
Yeah, no, I'm driving. Insurance was in favor, man. I was too far. Damn, that's a tight ass road, gang. Niggas just gonna sit there and stand off. I'm driving in my lane and he had no issues with passing my set of feet. These niggas is dead having a standoff in the middle of the road. These niggas say, hey, we can do what you want to do. Mustang is exiting from a parking lot while I'm driving on the road. I ended up being caught fucking dick. The fuck? Fuck.
Oh, bang, चलो यार मैं क्या?
Right?
I'm sorry, sir.
Why are you driving 140?
I'm sorry.
This is an excessive, so your car's going to be impounded.
Damn.
So,
Can I get your license and your registration?
Sure. Sir, I work at...
Okay, well, you're going to have to explain how you got somebody's vehicle impounded. Is this the company's vehicle, or is this...
No, this is some customer's car.
Okay, so why are you driving 140?
I'm so sorry, sir.
Well, it's going to be gone now. And you also don't have a hand on the back? It doesn't matter if it's a rental car, a loaner car, your work. You have an end, you have your end in the back. Speed limit's 80, you're going 140 at 60 kilometers over the speed limit. The car's going to be impounded for 7 days. So you can explain that to your boss. It's out of my control. I don't set those rules, ICBC does.
I'm probably going to get fired.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
You shouldn't be driving 140, let alone in a vehicle that doesn't belong to you during work hours.
Damn.
There's no excuse.
You know, you act like he a pups. Massachusetts. Damn, you turned that mad. Why?
Are you?
You were like 6 feet off. You were, buddy, it's 2 lanes. You were 6 feet. You were over the line. You are over the line. It's 2 lanes. It's 2 lanes.
There's
Buddy,
no way
you were
these
6
niggas are
feet
trying
over
to
the
justify
line.
the
What do you
biggest
want me to
wild line a
do?
nigga ever seen.
Got it right. Nice.
But I just gotta say this now. You know, I like my trucks, but a lot of y'all niggas that drive trucks, my nigga, you was built to drive a mini coupe, my nigga. You be taking up both of the lanes. Get over, nigga. You were driving this big ass diesel truck covering 2 lanes. Who do you think you is, nigga? Go get you a mini coupe from Sarah Chevrolet or your best dealership, nigga, and have a nice day.
Have the lights on. Start giving their brights. LOL.
Niggas is crazy.
Off.
Damn. What the fuck? Nigga, what is going on?
What the are they doing? Off! I have a cam!
That nigga was trolling. His car is still burp, 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 burp. Well, we finna get pressed.
What are you doing?
What the fuck you doing?
Go! Are you?
That's what I be talking about with niggas with trucks. It's always niggas with trucks that do some shit like this. This nigga is sitting in the middle of the road just cause y'all niggas almost crashed. You just gonna nigga go. You're not getting paid to sit in the road and take everybody's fucking day. I got work at 9 o'clock. It's 8:50, nigga. Move.
You're get the camera up before I beat your ass!
Here go these 18. This is what I be talking about. Nigga is taking up the lane. Damn. We gotta start firing these drivers, man. We gotta get these niggas going. What is this nigga doing? Bro, and he's going back in the other lane? You're driving a freaking 18-foot truck. Dropping crazy. Nigga, you seen he was already turning. Why would you just keep going? A Volvo? I swear I've seen that so long ago. Hey. I'm not trying to hear that music, brother. Turn your dash cam up. God doesn't know how to start sounds. Push me out, please. Damn, bro, another trucker. Y'all niggas just don't learn. He's still riding your dick. These niggas is entitled, bro. I swear these niggas think they own the road.
What you want to do is save hundreds when Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance.
That's great, but can you ask your friend to stop digging into...
Nigga don't learn. I just don't understand these niggas. Good old Texas. I made it difficult for the church.
Let my bucket swerve. I'm taking off from the curb. The nervousness, neglect. Make a pack attack. Devoted to serving this
what the fuck? Yo!
Forever balling. It ain't right. Parasites, triggers, and fleas crawling. Suck a duck and get busted. No emotion. My devotion is handling my.
Hey, bro. These 18-wheeler niggas, y'all. Hey, listen, bro. I don't know how y'all niggas get y'all CDLs, but that ends today. If you want to get your CDL, nigga, you gotta roll through me. Cause y'all niggas can't drive. The 18, how are the 18-wheeler niggas the worst drivers? And you got a license for driving, nigga.
on coasting. Where you going? I've been there. Came back as lonely, homie. Steady flowing the.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. 911 calling was not that serious, my nigga. It really was. It was, but maybe it was. I'm not sure. Wow, nigga, what are you doing? And now you're brake checking? You're the idiot. She calls the cops. Should have road rage in the head. Dash cam submitted to the she was found on. You're fucked,
It's about what
Shakisha.
brings the greatest good to the most people, and sometimes that requires making
ATE.
difficult decisions.
These ain't like land niggas be the worst drivers in the
I
world,
have them
bro.
and start thinking about them. Can you fix that?
Man, fuck you, boy.
Also,
I'm still
make
finna get
porridge
over.
taste like meat, and vice versa. Wait, Fred said.
Damn.
What?
Crazy brake check.
Porridge should taste like meat. Why?
Bro, let him
It's
have
all
it, bro.
slimy and gross. It's slimy and gross.
I knew his ass finna catch up.
So, you know, fix that.
Damn.
Also war and death and stuff. Actually, there are a whole lots of things the Almighty.
That dash can't got that nigga for okay. You have Fred in the city of California. Why are you going? Why are you going? He has the right of way, you idiot. How do niggas have time in the day to do this, bro? Like, yeah, I swear. Nigga on a motorcycle or something. Damn. You know they don't fuck with this nigga. What? What the fuck?
Woo! Yeah, you beat me to the light. You're awesome, dude. What's wrong with you? You don't see cars parked? You're taking your daughter to drive like this? That's all this camera's for. Because you're a dumbass. Plus, you're stupid.
Nigga, Billy was a going a bit cool. I swear he was. He's gonna knock his ass off that bike. Fucking fuckhead. Billy and John. My niggas. Wow. No note. What the fuck? He blocked me again, flipped him out the front.
Showed up a few years later as an interviewee trying to get a job where I worked. I was the lead interviewer. That was a fun interview. They left after 5 questions knowing full well
Nigga, what is a sussex?
Not realizing that he was a genius. Because a genius has to actually...
I think I'll figure out. This is why niggas don't know about Wisconsin. What is a Sussex, Wisconsin? I've never heard of that shit. It explains a lot why Wisconsin isn't on niggas' radars. You have places like this.
Tell people he's a...
Shout out to my Wisconsin niggas. Everett, Washington. Small SUV pulls in behind me. Damn. Oh shit. I ain't like that. I'll never understand what is the purpose of brake checking. Cause if this nigga has a dash cam, you just keep swimming brake checks. Your ass is finna be in court with this nigga paying him some cash. Stop doing the shit. You're not. You just look like a dumbass at the end of the day, gang. Stop.
Go, turkeys, go, you silly turkeys.
In front of us? Oh God.
This nigga finna hit that bitch. He don't care. You know how them Ford niggas rock.
Oh, they're talking to him.
What to you?
Don't come to me. I don't do anything to you.
Oh,
yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
Yo, ain't going nowhere, boy.
Whoa, yo, chill, bro. Yo, oh God. Oh God, chill, bro.
You're bigger than them.
I don't want to kill him. Yo, just cross the road, bro.
What? Pookie.
Them niggas not moving.
Stop chasing me. Stop chasing me.
They said he's at front. It's your chance, gang.
What the heck, bro?
Bro, you better hit that vehicle.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Scotty. Oh shit. Damn! What the fuck? Shit, nigga.
1-6.
Oh shit, he better get on this shit. Do fast.
164G77. 164G77.
Yo ass fried. We got them tags, nigga. Spokane Valley, Washington. Wow. Nigga, how do you not see him right there? How are you gonna flip this nigga off when you was about to turn and you see it's barely no room? Be a patient nigga. Like, that's why I be talking about with niggas with trucks again. Y'all niggas think you own the road. Stop! Go get the fucking Mini Coupe, gang. The fuck? Nigga, what is that for? Wow.
What was wrong with you?
What the hell's your problem?
Listen, John. Nigga, you honking your horn this long isn't going to, like, change the situation, my nigga. Just move on with your day. I'm not trying to hear this loud ass horn, my nigga. Like, come on. This nigga's insane.
G-A-H.
G-A-H? They said, yeah, I gotta stop, nigga. I forget how to record. I'm goofy. I swear. Bozo and Nissan Pitbull, I'm not sure what else. Get your ass to school, nigga. Shut up. What the fuck? I made a full stop on her damn Mercedes. Oh shit. Oh shit. That nigga Don got something today. That nigga Don got something. Wow. Just. Material? Is that 12? What the fuck is that? Damn. Oh shit. Y'all niggas better be playing dodge. That bitch is a flying game. Jesus. What in the shit are you doing? Damn. To be fair, dash cam nigga, you could have let him slide. I ain't gonna lie. Too late, Billy. Pure stupid. What the fuck? What the fuck? How does that happen? This shit damn near AI. The police arrived, showed them the dash cam, and they told me I was free to go. Well, guys and girls, that was the video today. Hey, Real Man TV, by the blessed to y'all. And now I'm out.